Hey everyone, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. So one of the things we are getting to play with today, something we used to do all the time, is we're repairing, refinishing, and redoing some furniture. So today we are adding glaze. So we are just basically slapping on here. So if you ever want to know how to glaze some cabinets, this is kind of how I do it. Same thing with furniture. Different type of glaze you can use. We're just doing an acrylic glaze over, this is a cabinet paint that we used. So it will still grab the glaze pretty well, and it also does a really good job of wiping clean because it's such a hard surface. I'm trying to do this one hand, it's not easy, sorry, but it kind of gives you an idea of how we're doing it. So I'm just wiping the glaze on everywhere it's got to go. Just do a quick wipe. I don't want to leave too many pools on here. I'm just dragging it clean. So it's kind of what it looks like after the glaze. So now I've got a sponge, and I'm just going to take this sponge and I'm just going to do a quick wipe along the edges. So everywhere. On the edge to get it clean. And they want to leave a little bit in the groove, so we'll leave it in the groove. So I'll do the same thing on the edge there. And this front part. Edge. So that's the easy part. Fun part is getting this top. So I just pull it once and I turn where that piece is, I turn it, so I use that end of the sponge now. And now I have this other end that I'll pull the opposite way. And now I'm just looking to get the grooves consistent, the pattern consistent, and the glaze, so it's all as uniform as possible. And I got one more clean side on this side of the sponge, so I'm gonna hit it one more time. And then to make sure where we're at, I'm going to take this and set it next to our other ones that we've already done to see where our coloration is. So as you can kind of see, this one is darker than that one. So same sponge, I'm just going to flip it over. These are stain pads, we get them at our paint store. So I'm just going to pull this again. And we're right there. Yep. There we go. And there's our 4 doors that we've just glazed. And then our next thing is this cabinet, which that'll be fun. But that way they're all 4 pretty much the same color. There'll be a little variation, but it's hand done, so that's kind of the joy of it. Kind of adds a really cool look to your cabinets instead of just a solid color. This stuff will dry. This stuff dries pretty quick, so about an hour we'll let it sit and we'll put it in a spray booth and we'll clear coat it, and then furniture will be ready to put handles back on and deliver it to the customer. If you have questions about refinishing your furniture, kitchen cabinets, or painting wallpaper in general, give us a call at D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.